Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a new user profile on the Nintendo Switch 2. This is very easy to do and only takes a few steps. Having multiple users on your Switch lets you separate save data, settings, icons, and more. So the first thing you need to do is go to System Settings from the main menu, and then scroll down to User. On this page you can see all of the users currently on your Switch. I only have one user here, and you can add new ones by selecting Add User. You have the option to link a Nintendo account, but this is optional. Keep in mind that you can't have a Nintendo account linked to multiple users. Each user would have to have their own account. I'm going to choose not to link an account to the user that we create. And then you can select an icon. You can create it here for more customized options. You can pick the icon and then the background. And once you have that set, you have to choose a name. So I'll just call it test for this video, and then click OK to confirm. So now you can see that you have two users here, the one that I already had plus the new one. You can also change the order that they appear by swapping them around, which is nice. If you want to delete a user, just select it, go down to delete user, hit continue, hit next, and you have to wait a few seconds for the delete this user button to be enabled. Once it is, just select it, and it will delete the user. And as you can see, the new one that we created is gone. So it's really simple. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and hope to see you in another video.